How to claim Avios point on Qatar Airways. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get or claim Avios points on Qatar Airways. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to claim the Avios points, you just need to follow some steps. First of all, log into your account and then go to the membership account and submit a claim online. And then you'll need to provide your flight details and ticket number. And on second step, you need to submit a service request. Just go to the Write to Us page and submit a service request. And on the very last step, you may just contact the Qatar Airways if you want. You can contact the Qatar Airways by email at the following address that is shown on my screen right now. You may just send them an email to claim your Avios points, or by calling them at the given number in the UAE, at Qatar this number, and in Bahrain this number. So you may just follow those steps, or you can claim Avios for travel completed up to 180 days from the date of travel. If you joined the Privilege Club after the trip, you may just submit your claim request within 90 days of your trip. So just follow the steps and you should be able to claim your Avios points on Qatar Airways very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.